Obama phone, huh? I need the Obama phone.
Cheap phone, yeah?
Yeah. I'm not recording today. Hey, bro, I bought the shoe for $5, man. $5. It's too big though, size 10.
Yeah, because it's $5. $5 you don't get the size. You need to check whatever you see.
I like that red one right here, man. What size is it? Hey, can I buy and pay you tomorrow? Pay you tomorrow. Oh, this shit nice, man. I can tell you, but I don't think it's not real. That's why, man. You see, just shit. This is my side over here, man. I can make it brand new, you know. I paint.
That one?
Yeah. I clean shoe. Hello. Campuchia. Sao sơ bay? Sao bay bu? Ba? Thấy nó khang xe đó cho năm ai nào bật bật.
Cái chốt mà đã ấy phú.
Nó cho tên ra cho.
Trong tàu quạt cái thang cái ắt toán này là cái ắt bao thon nè.
Trời.
Họ đó cái bao cái thang bao là sau ngày sau tức là.
Chuông cái năm nó cái thơm buôn là tết của ông họ đấy.
Lâu có chặt biệt
tết đấy.
Ôi trời. Hey, what đang ăn ở đấy, what?
Đâu nè, what mấy đó là ngày sau tức là.
Trời. What thay, what can nó, what chán phải thay nhảy à. Đó.
Miền what thay, miền what.
Mà what leo what thay na, what tầm mũi ba nữa, đôi phải dài thông đó nữa, vậy đó bà. À đi, về
tàu xa ấy tàu what cái là.
Bà, tàu what đi what thay nè, Khmer ơi, Khmer về yuan chân rồi. Thầy sa này cái trong đâu bật
ngon á, lâu hang luôn đô chùm này hộp luôn bà bé chân này luôn phình.
Sakimi thì vào như hộp chọc chư ấy bóc ô đó ngọc bà ri ô đó có.
Cột nếu như ta Khmer với tàu là khai chân thầu á.
Rồi chân yuan nó vô.
Cái trán cái vua tôi
rồi. Sri Lanka chứ Bangladesh. Cái
nhà tiệc lớn tàu bát thằng tàu tiệc lớn tàu á.
Ok, bye bye bà, ok. Bye, sự lên thăm mấy, bye. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah. Looking good, lady. Oh, are you Cambodian? No. Lao? No. Filipino? No. Yeah. Oh. Sợ tập phụ cường nhiên. Bà phải dắt đau bà phải chọc cái bốp ấy hả? Ấy tệ nó bẹ mặc lại đau đó hơi lên là hết ra mà bị trong chỗ polo mình bà. đó là bây giờ đây xe rồi tôi đặt tên mà chán thế nào tên không pin
Quá.
That's a nice bike, bro. What kind of bike is that? Oh shit. Hey, bro, what kind of bike is that?
Giant.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's ugly though.
It is ugly.
Yeah. And it's heavy, right?
Right, good.
Yeah. Quá xíu xíu à. Oh shit. What's up, OG? Try to go down the stairs too steep, man.
yeah,
No, I'm gonna fall on my face.
Like the majority.
Yes, sir. What you do here? God damn, mama. the fuck this food, man? What's up, nigga? What's up, blood? What's up, man? Thôi bà khả này, man. What you doing on the bus, man? I thought you were a big time baller, man. I thought you like. I thought you high starter. You like you reached the mountain top. You forgot to come down, huh?
Yeah, I had to come down.
No. You got to the top. You forgot to pull some of your homeboy. Like, come on up with me, man. That's life.
I pull everybody up.
That's life, man.
But when I'm down, nobody pull me up. So I gotta get back up. So it's getting off work. Good citizen.
Hell yeah. So no more doing the club shit like back in the day.
No more. Oh man, I just got off work.
You ain't old. I'm 55, son.
Yeah, I'm 44.
Yeah.
I work at Beverly Convention Center in Bellevue.
Oh yeah.
Bartender over there.
Oh, so you fall off, huh?
A little bit.
Get back up, man. It's gonna be a hard climb.
I mean, I didn't fall off, but a few years ago I did.
Yeah, that's life, man.
It was really bad, man. I kind of just left everybody. I was just kind of like.
Hey, change always good, man. So when
what you been up to, man? You look the same as.
Shit, I still throw down, boy. Come on, man. We go to the alley right now. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Yeah.
You recording me right now?
No. I going to go down.
You got a gun on everything.
Hell yeah. Why not? Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, crew?
Someone actually asked me about like what the good citizens are.
Oh, good citizen, no. Like we got our eye open. We got our head. We got our eye behind your back. When we see things you guys don't see. You know, we observe people. Like you observe good people, bad people. Yeah. You know, like criminal activity. You know, all that shit, man.
Is it like private?
Huh?
Or is that private or like volunteer?
Anybody can be a good citizen.
Oh, it's just a
yeah.
public.
Oh, good servant. You know.
He knows the streets.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
I'm from the street, man. I'm from the killing field.
Just in case like.
Killing field, Cambodia. You know.
Yeah. And so, just in case somebody asks me again.
Hey, bro, you got Cruz last name, man. You Filipino? I know, but you look Cambodian, man. You look like Cambodian, huh?
I can be.
Oh, Bacan, yeah. You look like Cambodian, man. I thought you walked up to me like you know me, shit, man. Like.
No. Because someone asked me about good citizens.
Oh, you security guy?
Yeah.
They all know me, man.
Okay.
They all know me, man.
Acting like a criminal though.
Like,
Shit, hell yeah, man.
Look on me like a criminal though.
If you from the street, y'all from the street, right? Y'all here, stay your own lane, man. You fucking nobody, man. You know what I'm saying? But I got this fucking security guy like fucking thinking that they above the law and shit, man. I had to check their ass and shit, man. Like, boy, you better look me up, boy. Shit, 55.
What are you doing? You just run around, good citizen, gun in your hand.
Man, I'm a press, like a independent journalist, like a free press.
Okay, you don't deliver shit no more?
No, hell no. Like the good shit, nah. Oi, Bacan, yeah, man. I get my channel. It's called Stay Safe Walking Tour. Look it up.
Stay safe what?
Stay Safe Walking Tour.
Walking tour.
No, walking tour.
Walking tour.
Like stay safe, walk tour. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So man, you're crazy, man.
Man, this is $1,000 bike, man. Try it.
You just crazy. No. Okay, I like scooters.
Yeah. You be safe, man.
All right, you too, man.
We stay on the east side.
I stay on Beacon Hill.
Yeah. Should move your ass back to Thailand, man. Yeah. Go retire over there, man. You be a pimp over there.
Man. You're trying to follow my dad's footsteps.
All right, bro, man. Stay safe, bro. Yeah. All right, bro. Yeah, that what's up, nigga.